Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet women necklace designs, different color designs ideas. You can see different colors, same colors and multiple also combination also in front of you for creative and beautiful ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, expensive also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing collection like this crochet woman necklace designs and others jewelry like crochet woman earrings, crochet woman bracelet, finger rings and feet jewelry like crochet woman anklet designs, baby anklet designs, crochet baby frog designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, woman cap designs, men cap designs and crochet scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, puncher design, caplet designs, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, skirts, pants and crochet women top designs, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, open sweater designs and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? Now goodbye.